Life after death. In a nutshell, is there any evidence or even a glimmer within physics that would indicate that you had a previous life? And also will have a next life when you depart this one. We know it's a fact that time is an illusion, according to Einstein's time dilation. We also know that time can be distorted by gravity and velocity. And we also know that gravity can stretch the fabric of space-time. So what does this mean in the relationship of whether or not we live another life? Well, if science tells us in mathematics that all time exists all the time, and that the past, present and future all coexist, and that if the universe is infinite, there will indeed be copies of you and I that exists in what is considered to be a seamless coat of infinity. The trouble is, with our mind, we cannot comprehend just what infinity really means. Personally speaking, if infinity doesn't exist within the universe, I believe that you and I wouldn't exist either. Everything that can happen, will happen, and does happen, all woven into this fabric of space-time. You've heard of the analogy, if a monkey sat at a typewriter for the rest of eternity, he would at some point type the entire works of Shakespeare. Well, let's just say that these infinite copies of you and I do exist, all woven into the fabric of infinite time and space. And within the dimension of every individual copy, a set of different circumstances is played out, everyone being slightly varied. There's one with you getting married, another with you being a billionaire, another maybe with you being homeless and hungry. And so the list of these endless possibilities goes on and on infinitely. So when your time is up on this earth and you die in a moment of time. And firstly, all time exists all the time. We know that the past exists because we have it in our memory. And we know the future exists. And this is why, and this is how. Imagine you are speeding away from Earth in a spaceship at the speed of light, and you look back towards the surface of Earth and you see a clock. Because you are travelling away at the speed of light, your eyes also see at the speed of light. So the clock would appear not to be moving at all. You would feel as though your time has not altered in any way, and your surroundings would appear to be exactly the same. However, on Earth, time would accelerate into the future relative to you in your spaceship. So if you observed this phenomena on a little TV monitor and you can see the advancements on Earth happening right in front of your eyes, and you made a note of what is happening, you could return to Earth and tell them just how the future pans out. This suggests that the future could very well be fixed, and we only experience on Earth this one arrow of time outcome. But should you relive your life again, set within these boundaries of infinity, then the outcome will definitely be different. Or, heaven forbid, if you only relive exactly the same moments along the same tram lines of your previous existence and the same in your next existence,